First up, I'd like to say congratulations for everyone who's been holding Success Kid for the longest, because wow, guys, check this out. We have finally saw this move to the upside. Exactly what I said to you all the other day, because I saw this shape here forming on this chart and that looked so bullish for me. And yes, guys, we did see a nice pump to the upside yesterday and a continuation for today. This is an amazing move for Success Kid. And looking at the price, guys, we're currently at 9 cents. We even went as far as 12 cents. My gosh, guys, you are in mega profits. I hope you guys are continuing to hold this project, because I can see bigger moves coming in for it. Right, couple of things first. Do not be afraid to see any sort of small correction or pullback, because this is completely normal. Take a look at the market cap. Freaking hell, guys, just last week it was roughly around about 4.5 mil, and now we've almost doubled that. This is insane, and I can see more moves coming in for Success Kid. So if you do like that, guys, drop me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. So let's crack on with the video and expand the chart. Alright, so bear in mind, guys, this is on the hourly chart. Let's go into the 4 hours. The 4-hour chart does paint a better picture, because what we see this massive engulfing candle right over here, which means we could ultimately see a correction. This one right over here. Now, if we see this candle forming into or turning into a red, then quite possibly we could be expecting a move back down to this level right over here. This level right there, which means we could be testing this long time resistance now into support. That is fantastic. However, initial break up to the upside, we did pull back in towards its resistance. So hopefully we won't be pulling back down to this level, but just in case, guys, don't be afraid. Just add more to your bags, because I can see us continuing our way to the top. Reason why for that is because if you look to our left, this was the last highs, but then we came back down, we corrected and bounced off the support level before we continue our way to the upside. That is really great, guys, because now since we're broken up for this last high, we now look like we're coming back down at least, well, normally 50% on this move before we continue our way to the upside if we are in a bullish trend. But to be fair, guys, we are still massively bullish for this project, because at the end of the day, I can imagine more people will be paying attention to Success Kid. And in fact, if we don't come back down to this level, I can only see us continuing our way to the up. But just pay attention what goes on here, because if you are a intraday trader by heart, you always look to try to snipe it back in or get back into the project whilst you bounce off certain levels. You can accumulate more of your bags. Now that wouldn't be such a bad idea, but a couple of things has to happen first. One, when we see a pullback, we want to see us come back down to the level over here for a reaccumulation before we continue our way to the upside. Just in case, if this small green candle goes any higher and we print the next one to be green, chances are we are going to come back up again and to break this level here. Either way, guys, this will be the area that I'll be, well, these are the areas, should I say, that I'll be focusing on. Otherwise, if you're mega bullish on this project, then guys, look to add whenever we pull back, because ultimately we can see a bigger move and a more continuation to the upside. So I reckon the next level should be around about, let me just quickly, what's going on here? Okay, so I reckon the next level should be somewhat around about, let's have a look. Okay, here we are. Okay, so the next level should be, yep, at least back up towards the last highs or all-time highs. This region up here. We could argue to say that perhaps we could come back even, or our target should be in this level or at this level right up here, because as you can see by the green line, that's what the price action is at currently. So we can see this really thin, very faint green line. So potentially this could be the next leg up before we break this level to reach back up to that level right up here. But end of the day, guys, if you're not into day traders, you don't want to be paying too much attention to this, because I reckon since we're broken up from this level right here, I could only see a more continuation to the upside, and that will be great. That's how the chart looks overall. So yes, guys, this is looking fantastic, and it's exactly what we have been waiting for. Now, going into the daily, check this out. Wow, guys, if you remove all the arrows right over here, then it will paint a clearer picture in terms of where we're at and where we need to be for the next move to the upside. All right, so let's get rid of this one as well. Okay, we have wicked all the way up here, guys. So that means if we continue to go up and fill this area right up here, or fill this candle wick right up here, that will take us to be well above this level here. Here we are. Now this is the next level that we need to clear, because essentially this could be regarded as a resistance. Once we do break above this level here, then we should be continuing away to the upside. Reason why, on the daily chart, it looks like all we see here is nothing but red candles. So that means the moment we break up here, we want to see something like this, a break up above that resistance line, pull back towards that resistance, now turn support, and then a continuation to the upside. And that would be an amazing ride back up to above that 20-cent mark. And that would be simply amazing for this project. I am super bullish, guys, on this one for many reasons. One, the market cap is still super tiny. It's not just a market cap. Take a look at the total supply. It's only at 88 million. My gosh, this is tiny. We can see so many more X's coming in for it. If you held throughout this sideways action here for the longest, you will be up at least, depending, well, it's going to be an estimation, you would have been up at least over 100% move to the upside, and that is a fantastic feat for Success Kid, because finally we've got some volume coming in. If we continue at this rate, we should be at least retesting the all-time highs maybe in the next couple of weeks, or even by next week. I don't hold a magical crystal ball, but as we can see, guys, we saw a huge pump over the last 2 days, and I could see a continuation to the upside, and that would be fantastic for this project for many reasons. One, ultra low total supply, and also the market cap is still under 10 million. Guys, we can do it. This is insane. Yes, guys, so tell me, are you super bullish on this project? And if you are, tell me how much bags are you holding, and what's your price prediction for this one. In my next video, I'll definitely be discussing more about my price prediction for this project, because I can see a humongous move coming in for it, and I will reveal my price prediction. It's kind of similar to my last video where I've spoken about the price prediction. Either way, I can see more moves coming in. Check this out. Even though Success Kids have been doing really well, also Chloe has done really well. Guys, look at this. We've managed to claw way back up for another 56% move to the upside. So that means I could see even bigger play coming in for this one. This is insane. The minute we break up from this level, we should be pushing our way back to the top. Market cap now is at $500,000. Guys, we saw this when it was at less than 200,000 market cap, and it is pushing itself back up to the top. This is super insane. The total supply for this one is just under 1 billion. This is insane. TED is up by 44%. Guys, the market is really starting to push now, and I can see a lot more coins taking off very soon. If you watched my last video on TED, in fact, guys, I did say that if we enter round about here, we should be holding for a bigger move to the upside, because it looks like we made this nice correction back down to a lower level, and as soon as we see like an engulfing green candle over here, this will be good to go to enter, because potentially we could see ourselves climbing a lot more higher, and that's exactly what it's done right here. Go check out the video for that, guys. LFGO is the same thing, guys. It's also continuing its way to the top, continuing its way to the upside. The market cap currently is at 11.81 million. Whew, guys, these can do extremely well. Do not sleep on it, because I reckon these coins will simply explode. Wordjack will soon going to be taken off as well. Anyway, we're not talking about these coins right now, so we are focusing just on Success Kit. I will leave it there. So first of all, as I say, congratulations again for all of you all that's been diamond handing right down over here. More price action to come in. So if you do like this video update, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification to be updated with more latest content and videos. Head over towards my YouTube channel, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.